How to change Instagram group profile picture. First thing first, you just have to simply go ahead and open up your Instagram, and then from here, make sure that you're logged in. Now, to access your messages, you can just tap on the message icon at the top right or swipe left on your screen, like so. Once you land on the message icon or the message page where you have your groups and chats, tap on the group, and from here, click on Stay in Chat. Now from here, if you want to change name and images, you can just tap here, or if you don't see this option, you can tap on the top option where the group name is shown, and now tap on change name and image. So you can select any of these emojis if you want, or you could just select from your gallery. So if you want to select from gallery, tap on this gallery icon right besides plus. Now from here, you're going to have to choose from library, or take a photo. I'm just going to choose from library. Now once you've selected the image, just tap on done at the top, and then your group photo will be changed. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you next time.